Hello children, hi and welcome to English Time. Welcome you all. I'm Shanti here. I hope you all remember me, right? You could have seen me in the campus, but I didn't take for you. Now in 7th standard, I'm meeting you again for the first time in the second chapter. Shall we see? What? See. Shall we see? Right? What is this? It's a honey bee carrying chapels. Oh God. See Kana, the ribbon. By seeing the ribbon, you could have remembered a gift. Birthday gift, maybe a New Year gift, whatever gift it is. Now, can you able to guess the topic? Yes, very good. The topic is a gift of chapels, part 1 in your honeycomb book. Right? Now, before you read or before you enter into the lesson, I am going to share you some small incidents which happened in my life. The same it could have happened in your life also, right? When I am traveling in a road, I saw a small puppy when I was young, not now, right? I saw a small puppy one day and I saw a small kitten also one day, right? In rain. It was very dirty. It was struggling for its life. Nobody is there to take care of that puppy or kitten, right? When I am taking, I asked my mother, Mom, please, we'll take this puppy to our home. We'll have it as a pet. My mother said, no, we are already having a puppy in our house, so no need. A same incident may happen in your life. Just remember that, right? And I'll say you the next part of the story after the session, right? Shall we move into the story? Before you read, Mridu is a young girl. Now in this story, gift of chapel, a gift of chapels, Mridu is a young girl growing up in Chennai. First it was called as Madras and now it was Chennai. With Tapi, her grandmother, and Tata, her grandfather. What is it, Tapi and Tata? In Tamil, they used to say grandparents as Tapi and Tata. But I used to call my grandmother as Pati only. Okay, one afternoon, Tapi take her to her aunt's Rukmani's house. What is the name of the aunt? Rukmani. Right. To meet her cousins Lali, Ravi and Meena. How many cousins they have? 3 cousins. Can you able to see my hand? Right. So 3 cousins. 3 cousins. Who are they? Lali, Ravi and Meena. Right. Shall we move to the next slide? Or do you have any doubt in this? What is the name of the aunt? Rukmani. Okay. Who is the girl? Name of the young girl? Mridu. Right, dear? Now only we are entering into the main content of the lesson, a gift of chapel. Now what happens when you are going into the aunt's house? No, you are not going. Mridu is going to her auntie's house, Rukmani's house. Okay, so you imagine, you visualize yourself in that place. A Rukmani auntie is coming forward with a great energy and smile, with cheerfulness. She opened the door. Okay, there is a word called through. Right? A smiling Rukmani threw open the door. This through remembers the energy and cheerfulness she shows towards yes, grandparents. Right? Ravi and Meena rushed out of the house. Who's Ravi and Meena, dear? Yes, they are cousins. Ravi, Meena and Lali. 3 cousins are there, but 2 are rushing out of the house. And Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. See, come on Mridu, come, we'll go inside the house. Like that, Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, immediately what Mridu said, wait, let me take off my slippers, take off. The word take off here refers to remove. Okay, the word take off is remove. Wait, let me remove my slippers, protested Mridu. What is the meaning of protested here? Protested is against, saying against Mridu. Right? She set them out neatly. Who said? She refers to Mridu here. Mridu set them out. Here them, what is it? Them here refers to Cheppals. Okay, she refers to Mridu. Mridu set them out neatly near a pair of large ones. Can you able to see a large Cheppal here? I have shown you, right? A big Cheppal here, black one, black Cheppal here. Those were grey because of dust. It's actually not grey color. It is black only. Because of dust, it turned into grey. You should see the clear mark of every toe on front part of each slipper. Can you able to see each and every finger mark here? Finger mark of the toe. Yes? Very good. So that's it. You should see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. The marks of the two big toes were long and scrawny. Scrawny here refers to thin. So the legs are very thin. We don't know whose Cheppal is that. Let's wait and watch in the next slide, right? So can you able to see the images here? The first paragraph I saw Mridu and who's this? Grandmother, grandfather. Tapi, tata. Three of them are living together. Now Mridu is going along with grandmother. Grandmother to whom? Who's this? Yes, Rukumani auntie. These two children, Ravi and Meena here, right? Mridu and grandmother. Children, are you watching this image? Yes. Grandmother is going to Rukumani auntie's house. So now, who is pulling? Ravi is pulling Mridu. Now Mridu, what she is doing? She is removing the Cheppal very neatly near the black one. It turned into grey color. So this is the hero of this story, right? This Cheppal is the hero of the story. Let's wait. Right now, what is this? Okay, these two images you have to see it after the next paragraph, right? Again, I will come back to this image. Now, Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slipper they were. So, before asking whose slipper is that, Ravi dragged her to the backyard. Do you know, children, what is a backyard? Backyard is a space near the house. That is, exactly we can say it as a garden also. Behind a thick bitterberry bush. Bush here refers to a small tree like hibiscus tree you will have in that, right? There inside a torn ball. Have you seen an image? A small kitten is there, right? Inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from the coconut half shell. Coconut half shell. When your parents are breaking the coconut, you could have seen the coconut will be broken into two halves. One half, if they take off the coconut, an empty shell will be there, right? So Ravi took that shell and it is used for giving milk to the kitten, right? And what is a house? What is the house is made of? A football, torn football, right? We found him outside the gate this morning. We here refers to Ravi, Meena and Lali. Okay, three cousins. All these are the conversation. They are saying everything to whom? To Mridu. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing. Meow, meow. Oh God, what happened to my throat? I think cat went inside my throat. Right? He was mewing and mewing. Poor thing. Now, again I am coming back to the image. See here, Ravi is dragging Mridu. Immediately, they are going to the backyard. That is the place before or maybe behind, wherever it is, behind the house, garden. Okay, they both were seeing. Here you can see the small kitten, right? He was mewing and mewing, poor thing, said. Who said this? Meena said this. It's a secret. Okay. Amma says. Here Amma refers to Rukmani auntie. Right. Amma says, Party will leave for our Padu uncle's, our Padu mama's house if she knows we have a cat. If she knows. Who knows? If Rukmani auntie knows that we have a cat or kitten in our house, immediately my mother will give that cat to Padu mama's house, right? So, they are not saying it out, they are maintaining it as a secret, right? Any doubt in this paragraph till now what we have learned? Okay. Now, I will raise question about the meaning. Scrawny, why the black chipple turn into grey color, and what is the name of three cousins, right? What is the name of that small girl, where they lived, with whom she lived? All these questions should be ready. Right, children? Shall I move to the next slide? Right. People are always telling us to be kind towards animals. But when we are very kind towards animal, they will scream at us, oh God, why you brought this dirty puppy or kitten to us? All these dialogues they will deliver, elders will deliver to us when we really brought that cat inside the house. Who said this word? Ravi said this. Okay. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Party used to be in the kitchen, right? Party saw me with glass daily. When she is saying us to drink milk, what you will say? When your grandmother is saying you to drink milk, what you will say, dear? Mom or grandma, I don't want now. Afterwards I'll drink. Otherwise I don't like milk. I want Horlicks. I want Boost. This I don't like. That I don't like. All these dialogues you will say. But here to get milk for the small kitten, right? Ravi is struggling. Like Party saw me with a glass of milk in my hand just now. I told, I am very hungry, Grandma. I want to drink it. By the way she looked at me, really, it was doubtful. Is that Ravi asking for milk? So, Party was suspicious. She got doubt. Okay, I want to drink it really. The way she looked, here she refers to Grandma. The way Grandma looked at me, I had to drink most of it, okay, to throw off the scent. In the sense, to make Party to become normal, I have to drink most of the milk in front of her. And she wanted the tumbler back also. Party, please, I will wash it myself. Why should I put you in trouble? I told her. The remaining days, what will happen? You will just drink milk and you will throw it in the same place, or maybe in the nearby, in the nearby table or chair. You will not even touch that glass, or you will not take it to your kitchen, right? But today what happens? She wanted the tumbler back, but you are saying that, who is saying? Ravi is saying, Party, I will wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run. For what? We will see why Ravi had to run. Okay. So, another 1 minute is remaining. We will just have a quick recap. Okay. Mridu is a small girl living with grandparents. She is going to Rukmani auntie's house. 3 cousins are there. Ravi, Lali, Meena. Okay. What happens? Ravi dragged Mridu. They are going to backyard. They are seeing a small kitten, right? Small kitten, cute kitten, and they were trying to keep it safe and secret without knowing to their 2 parents. Whose parent? Ravi's parent. Why? Because she will give to Mama. Padu Mama's house. Okay children, we will meet in the next session. Thank you so much.